Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we will be doing an unboxing of a telescope which is sold by Apexel. Please note that it is not being manufactured by the Apexel brand. On the box you will find for what different purposes this lens can be used. It also mentions that it is made from high quality. Now let us unbox it and see what all things we get inside the box. So the first thing you will find is your manual, which is printed in two different languages. It is printed in English and Chinese. The second thing you will get is your microfiber cloth to keep your lens clean. The third thing you will get is your strap, which can be attached to the lens. The fourth thing you will get is your mobile lens attachment, and it is fully made up of plastic. All kind of mobile can be attached to this mobile attachment as it has a rotating mobile mount holder. In the small box you will get your mini tripod, which is made from plastic material. You can also extend their legs. Then you will get your lens, which comes with a nice carry pouch. Opening up the pouch, you will find your lens in a plastic bag. So this is our 8x to 24x variable zoom lens. On both sides you will find plastic caps. You can attach your tripod to this. You will also find the zoom ring, but you will not get a focus ring in this. For focusing, you will need to pull out the lens and then you will need to rotate it. And this is how you can change the focus setting. It would be more helpful if they would have provided a separate focus ring, so it would be more easier for everyone. Talking about the build quality, it is made from plastic and the lens has got a coating, but they have not specified which coating has been applied to it. Comparing to Apexel zoom lens, I found this lens little cheap, but if you are running out of budget, then you can see the performance and then decide to buy. To assemble this lens, it is very simple. You just need to take the tripod and rotate it clockwise, and it will attach to the tripod. Now let me show you how to attach the mobile attachment to the lens. Take your mobile attachment and make sure that you slide it on the green side of the lens, and your lens is ready to use. Now let me show you some sample videos taken from this lens. I will show you the output from 8x and the output from 24x. So I will be trying to capture that flower which is situated on the lamp post. It is approximately 20 foot far from me. So this is being captured by the 8x zoom. You can see how sharp it is being captured. This is from 24x. You can see the blurry background. Friends, what do you think about this lens? Please do let me know in my comment section. Now, let us try to capture the tap which is very nearby me. This is from 8x. This is from 24x. You can see that it's producing some chromatic aberration. Friends, this is being captured by 8x. this is being captured by 24x. Talking about the performance, the output was great, but sometimes it was providing chromatic aberration. Also, I found little difficult to operate for the first time, but after using several times, it will be in routine. Friends, I hope you must have liked this video. If you still have any questions, please do let me know in my comment section. If you have liked this video, please do subscribe my channel and also share with your friends. Thank you.